Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to EduCraft Academy, and we are with transformation of sentences. The same thing in the textbook. Yes. So, children, we are with the textbook today, and there are 4 types. We went in for the transformation and its types. Okay, how we can transform from one sentence to another without changing its meaning. This is what is transformation. Okay.
Is someone there? See this, you watch here. It has been pressed.
Okay.
Released.
And if that thing comes, and this. Okay, now we are with the first pattern, changing from words, changing with to. Okay, so transformation of sentences, changing to. Okay, then we were with the active passive, exclamatory to assertive, interrogative to assertive, affirmative to negative, and direct indirect, which wasn't there in the other one, right? So this is just a revision for you all. Okay, now here in the third one, just see the third one, expressing condition, concession or contrast in different ways, interchanging from one kind of sentence to another. Okay, well, let us go further. Now you need to have your writing skills, and as this is the last question in your question paper, it costing you 8 marks. 8 marks. Okay, and this is the time you might make mistakes, so be very careful. Okay, so the first one we can also change with to and no sooner than. Okay, that was the first one. And like for example, let us see the first one. This exercise is too difficult, or the question is too difficult for me. It is so difficult that I cannot do it. Doesn't matter, after that we'll continue story. Okay. Yes, the second one, he is too clever to be easily deceived. What is deceived? Deceived means cheated. Okay. So someone will be so clever that he can't be deceived. So he is so clever. First and foremost, you should understand what the statement tells you, right? So he is so clever that he cannot be deceived easily. See over here, you have seen this is the past tense. Okay. So he is so clever that he cannot be deceived easily. Cannot be deceived. Okay, so you, as you know, you have to join it with this conjunction that he is so clever that he cannot be deceived easily. Okay, yes, he is too cowardly not to bend. What is cowardly? Someone says coward, but it is not coward, it is coward. Okay, that is pronunciation का mistake होता है. What is coward? हिंदी में उसको डरपोक कहते हैं. He is too cowardly not to bend. He is so cowardly that he will not bend. Cowardly means here, see here where it is, yes. He won't bend, he won't concede with anyone. He is feeling a bit of afraid. Suppose he does this, what will happen? Okay, like that way. He is too eager for praise. He is over eager for praise. You have seen the difference here? He is too eager for praise. We have not used the usage of so. He is over eager. That over eager itself means so much, okay, for praise. Now if the adverb to is followed by an adjective, keep in mind this is a note. If the adverb to is followed by an adjective and then by a verb, remember we discussed the parts of speech. Adverb is followed by adjective and verb, then what we should do? In the infinitive mood, boys and girls, I want to tell you this, like I told you right in the first day one, I told you you need to know the basics. ये वाला जो infinitive क्या है, ठीक है, then what is mood, what is gerund, what is participle, ये सारा का सारा चीज़ें तुम्हें पहले से पता होना चाहिए. सो योर टेक्स्ट बुक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. यू जस्ट रीड थ्रू इट, इट विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट. Okay, we expand the sentence into two clauses. Okay, the first containing so so and the second beginning with that. Okay, original sentence contains no negative word. The subordinate, children, what is subordinate clause? Subordinate is such a type of a clause which can't stand on its own. It needs the support of another statement to allow it to stand. Subordinate, or not the main clause. Main clause is different, subordinate clause is different. Okay, it becomes a negative. Let's see, when you come across these examples you will come to know better. If the sentence contains a negative word, okay, the subordinate clause becomes a positive. Again read this. If the sentence is containing what? A negative word, the subordinate clause becomes a positive. Okay, all this is not there very clearly in your workbook. So therefore only we need to do the textbook first, then we will do the workbook. You don't worry, okay? That's the way we go on for the transformation. Well, your school will be having just directly the transformation. We'll refer it from the text as well as workbook. Therefore कोई doubt नहीं रह जाएगा, ठीक है बच्चे? If there is no infinitive, देखा यहाँ पर infinitive आया. After TW2, it can be replaced by the word more. Okay, more than enough. Okay, beyond the proper limit, over, excessively, etc. These are all the synonyms which you can use. More than enough, beyond, okay, and all such things you can use. No sooner had he arrived home than he was asked to start on another journey. As soon as he arrived, see this all we have done it, just it's a revision. As soon as he arrived home, he was asked to start another journey. No sooner, see no, as soon as the sales began. Okay, as soon as the sales began, we bought. Have you seen the word BOUGHT bought? यहाँ पर तुम्हें एक चीज मैं कहना चाहती हूँ, BOUGHT bought मतलब पैसे से कुछ चीजें खरीदना, पैसे से चीजें खरीदना. But BROUGHT brought means different. Okay, so we bought our Diwali presents. No sooner did the sales begin. Have you seen? When did is the helping verb did is there when you are adding, then you have to say begin. वहाँ पर began नहीं बोल सकते हो. ये बहुत बहुत बार बच्चे ये मिस्टेक करते हैं. As soon as the sales began, we bought the Diwali presents. No sooner did the sales begin. Helping verb did आएगा ना तब आपको begin डालना होता है. Then we bought our Diwali presents. No sooner said than done. Children, try to come early, my dear. Otherwise, you will miss. फिर बोलोगे grammar नहीं पता चलता. Then we bought. Okay, that's done. No sooner said than done. As soon as it was said, it was done. See there, here it is the usage of the past tense. No sooner said than done. Okay. So as soon as it was said, see here, it was done. Okay. Let's go to the next. Here again there is a note for you. No sooner had he and he had no sooner. Let's see, both the constructions are correct. Be careful. No sooner had he or no sooner he had. He had no sooner. Both are correct. But the former has more force. Be careful. Former means which? No sooner had he, the first one. Okay. Now, though they are correct, but the former has a more force. No sooner, the construction for the past perfect tense. जब ये tense आता ना आपको याद रखना होगा. We have got the 4 forms of the 3 and 3 divided into 4 again. 3 4s are 12 forms. Therefore again the tense you need to keep in mind. Go through all these when we are doing grammar. This whole week we were doing grammar. Be careful, you have to just revise it on your own. Okay, we will see through in the textbook also. Then also you people have to revise the tense, revise it, because it's very important for 10th, 11th as well as 12th. So tense is very important. Okay, past perfect tense was insisted on by strict grammarians. But the simple past is accepted as correct one now. No sooner had the clock struck 10, see, no sooner had the clock struck 10 than we went to bed. No sooner did the clock strike 10. Have you seen the formation? No sooner had the clock struck. Okay, and no sooner did the clock strike. Here the helping verb did has come, right? No sooner did the clock strike. See the sentence structure. No sooner had the clock struck. This is the participle, present past participle. ठीक है? Strike, struck, struck. याद है ना आपको? So वो सारे जो tense table है आपको याद रखना. The tense, weak verbs, strong verbs, everything. Then we went to bed. Okay, interchange of degree of comparison, positive, comparative, superlative. Okay, quite easy, positive. No other boy is as tall as Jacob. Now, here, what do we understand? There are number of boys, therefore we have all the 3 degrees, right? Comparative, he is taller than any other boy in the class. In the class is not there. Jacob is taller than any other boy, and Jacob is the tallest boy. Here tallest, why? Because there is not a comparison between two. When we know no other boy, meaning they are more than 3. That is, might be in a class or friends or whatever it is, right? No other food is as nourishing as milk. Now you know milk is more nourishing when it is comparative, more nourishing and most nourishing when it is superlative, because we are comparing this milk with most of the foods. Okay, Mumbai is the richest, that is the superlative, is richer than any other city in India. No other city in India is so rich as. See, have you seen the construction? So rich as. Radium is one of the most valuable metals. Now, see there, one of the most valuable metals. यहाँ पर I want to tell you, when one of the is used, the next word noun will be plural. One of my friends, one of my aunts, whatever, then one of the metals. So when one of the is used, you have to put the noun as plural. Radium is more valuable than most other metals. Very few metals are valuable as radium. Okay. Then here, superlative, very few metals are valuable as radium. Okay. Wordsworth was one of the greatest English poets. Have you seen the noun poets? So Wordsworth was one of the greatest. Have you seen? Wordsworth was greater than, and very few English poets were as great as Wordsworth. Now here you have to put the article the in front of the superlative. Be careful, never forget it. If you forget the article, the sentence will be counted wrong and you are going to get a zero there. ग्रामर का टेस्ट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, ठीक है. बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल, स्पेसिफिक होगा. इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट में दैट समटाइम्स वी कांट कट सो मेनी मार्क्स. नहीं तो 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन होता है ना, ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल गेट आधा मार्क. बहुत सारे मिस्टेक्स होता है, तो बी वेरी केयरफुल, ठीक है. टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल दिस. वेरी फ्यू हिल स्टेशंस इन इंडिया आर एज ब्यूटीफुल एज शिमला, and very few hill stations in India are as beautiful as Shimla here. Not more beautiful. As you know, the adjective beautiful is more, most. Fine. Shimla is one of the most. Here again, when there is most, that is the superlative degree, you say the. Asha is not one of the best story writers in English. See there, this is a negative statement. Asha is not one of the best story writers. Some story writers in English are better than. That means she is not the best. Okay. Asha is less good than. You can't say gooder. Okay. So Asha is less good than some other story writers and Asha is not so good. ये दोनों usage हैं, देखिए आप. Asha is less good than, that is not so very much comfortable. You have to write this. Asha is not so good a story writer. See, now have you seen the usage of the article a? So Asha is not so good a story writer in English as some other. Now here, if you forget the article a, ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपने कहा कि टीचर यहाँ पर a तो नहीं है, तो ये sentence जब when you are transforming तो why a should come? Yes, because the usage is this. Asha is not so good a story writer. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें आपको ध्यान रखना होता है. You say how we will remember all this? Yes, you can remember if you converse in English. Okay, so Asha is not so good a story writer in English as persons are. You can use that, otherwise you can delete it, no problem. Arun is not the tallest of all the students and Arun is not taller than some other students. So there are some other and he is not as tall as them. There are some students taller than Arun. Okay. Arun is not as tall as the other students. So here in comparative, you can get like this. Arun is not taller than. Okay. There are some students taller than. Simple. These are simple statements how you can put the transformation. Do you understand this? Yes. Now interchange of parts of speech as we have already done. This is just a revision. Well, now here that's very important for you to remember the parts of speech and go through all that once again in your textbook. That you have to do on your own if you want to gain good marks. That is on your own, individually you have to do it. Okay, now verb. He succeeded in his attempt. Okay, that is the verb. His attempt was crowned with success. See how beautifully the statement is made. his he succeeded in his attempt. You have added here his attempt was crowned with success. Beautiful statement. Okay, and the adjective how you will write, his attempt was successful. Simply successful. Okay, respect your elders. Be respectful to your elders. It is adjective. So boys and girls, remember you have to go to the chapters of verbs, nouns, adjectives. Very important. You will know how to transform the parts of speech from one part of speech to another only and only when you know the formation of verbs, nouns, adjectives, adverbs. ठीक है, ये सारे चीज अपने आप रिवाइज करना होगा आपको. Okay, now show respect to your elders. Now he died in an instant, means in a moment, within a short while. Adverb, he died instantaneously. देखा आपने ये शब्दावली किस तरह यूज किया. Instant noun होता है. जब वो adverb में यूज करोगे तो you know ly is the ending, but you should know the verbal form of instant. Instantaneously. देखा आपने. Adverb here, he works intelligently. He works with intelligence. So intelligence is the noun. So how is the usage of intelligence in a sentence? You should know. The young man was apparently a fool. Young man appeared to be a fool. देखा ये apparently कहाँ से आए? Appeared से. So the young man appeared to be a fool. ये appeared क्या होता है? Verb होता है. ठीक है, तो ये सारे जो I mean your what to say chapters you have to revise. It is evident he hides true facts from us. यहाँ पर adjective. Okay, how do you know a sentence in a sentence that particular word is an adjective? So he hides true facts from us. It is evident that he hides true fact. What type of fact? True fact. ठीक है, fact. Truth is the noun. What type of facts it is? True facts. Sorry, fact is the noun, and what type of fact? It is the true facts. Okay, so he evidently hides true facts from us. Now adjective is here, and the next you have to make it an adverb. So he evidently hides true facts from us is the interchange of the part of speech. Okay, so I think so we have done with this. Now, do you remember yesterday I gave you an assignment, and have you all written the story, my dear? Bachches, you have written the story? The haunted mansion story who has written? सुनाई देता है?
Ma'am, question 1 completed.
Question 1. Okay. फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. और वो लास्ट जो स्टोरी है आपने नहीं लिखा? बहुत ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी. ऑलवेज सो वेरी मच एक्साइटेड. यस मैम, वी विल राइट. विच गुड बच्चा हैज रिटन इट? Obedient. No one has written. Tell me yes or no. How do I know? You have not written the story. That is, the assignment is undone, right? Okay, fine. Your silence is giving me all the meaning that you have not done the work. Fine. So do one thing. Don't be in a hurry. You have to form a very good story by writing it. Tomorrow is a Sunday. Though you have class, you can write the story. I am giving you time till Monday. Is that okay? Fine, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Boys, सारे बच्चियाँ बोलती है boys. What about the boys are not giving any answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, only one boy has said. I want the
Yes, ma'am.
assignment. Yes, only two bachas boys. Fine. Now all boys, girls, you have to complete the story till Monday. Okay, that's fine. Okay, then now we go to that little match girl. What you're finding it difficulty? Let's go to the little match girl. It's 1:30. So Hapana will just quickly go through this. Fine. Yeah. So I will not again welcome you. Fine, you are welcome already to Edicraft Academy. Fine. So now let's go to the little match girl. It's a beautiful story. It's Hans Christian Andersen. Here, the story is particularly on a little girl. Okay. So this fine about